Ravi's family has 3 members. Now, once they wanted to purchase a car. So, what exactly was done? Well, his father asked the preferences of the other 2 members, and after deciding the budget, his father decided which car to purchase, and accordingly he purchased a car. So here the main decision making was done by his father, because his father was the head of the family. Now, even a family of 3 requires a head of the family who takes the important decisions for the welfare of the family. Now, what about our country, India? India is the second most populous and 7th largest country in the world. So, second most populous and 7th largest country in the world. There are so many people in this country. So, even we need a head of the family who will take all the important decisions for us. Well, it is such a big country and there are so many people. So just one person is not enough. We have a team. In fact, all the different countries actually have a team of people who run that country. At least that is what happens in a democratic country. Now this team of people who run a country has a name. Well, it's called a government. So government is a body of people who make the rules and regulations of the country. The government is responsible for taking all the important decisions for the welfare of the citizens. So government is a team of people who run the country and take important decisions on behalf of the entire nation. So what about India? Well, India is a democratic country. Now, in India, citizens elect their representatives. So, since India is a democratic country, all the representatives are elected by the citizens. Now, these representatives together run the affairs of the country. So, the group of representatives who are responsible for running the country is called the government. And since these representatives form the government of India, right? So together they are called the government of India. Now, running the country is a very important responsibility and the government carries out this task. Now, budget is made by the government. Now, what is budget? Well, budget decides what money will be spent where and from where will the money come. So, income tax, education, health, agriculture, rural development, all these are managed by the budget, because all these functions can be performed only with money, isn't it? So, budgeting is a very important task of the government. Now, new projects are undertaken in the country according to the budget allocated by the government. So you see, government is very important. And who elects the government? We elect the government, right? And the government decides that how much money will be spent on what. So whether it is a hospital construction or it is a bridge construction, all is done with the money decided in the budget. And who decides the budget? The government. And who elects the government? We, the people of India. So you see, electing the right government is also very important responsibility of all citizens of India. Now, how is the government formed? Well, the government is elected by the process of election. So by the process of election, we decide who will be our representative, and all these representatives together decide who will run the country. So you see, the government is elected by the process of election, and election is a very important process in our country. So, citizens of India elect the government by the process of, what do you think? What is the name of this process? Well, it's election. So, citizens of India elect the government by the process of election. Now, citizens above the age of 18 years are eligible to vote. So, any individual who is a citizen of India and is above 18 years of age is eligible to vote in our country. They have their voter identity card. So, all these individuals have their own voter identity card by which it is identified that they are eligible voters. And indelible ink is put on the index finger of the voter, which signifies that he or she has cast his or her vote. So, indelible ink is put on the index finger of every voter, which signifies that they have cast their vote. So, why is it important? Well, it is important because one person has only one vote. So, once you cast the vote and your index finger is marked, you cannot cast another vote in the same election. And that's why indelible ink is put on the index finger of each voter. Now, what happens after voting? Well, the candidate who gets the maximum number of votes wins the election. So, if you have 5 candidates, then the candidate with maximum number of votes wins the election and he or she is chosen as our representative. Now, participation in elections is a very important responsibility of every citizen. Electing the right representatives to govern the country is the responsibility of the citizens. Now, why do you think it's such an important responsibility? Well, if you are eligible to vote, you have the right to choose a candidate. Now, you are choosing this candidate on behalf of many other people who are not eligible to vote. So, all the children who are below 18 years of age are not eligible to vote. So, you are taking the decision on their behalf too. Also, if you are an educated individual and you have a better understanding of who will be the right candidate for your area, then again it is your responsibility to vote for him, because there may be many people who are illiterate or not capable of taking the right decision. Then it's your responsibility that you are educated and you should take that decision on their behalf too. So voting becomes very important for all of us, because our collected intelligence decides who will be our representative, and that representative will decide how the country is going to be run, and all the citizens will either be benefited or will suffer because of that choice. So this choice is very important. And how can we make this choice? Well, by voting. So our vote is very precious and we should definitely vote, and it is our responsibility to exercise this choice so that we can choose the right representatives. So you see, voting is very important for all of us. So for the entire country, it becomes a responsibility. So whoever is eligible to vote, it's his or her responsibility to go and vote, because by voting we can choose the right government who will run this country and work for the welfare of all the citizens of this country. So voting is a big responsibility and we should definitely exercise it. Now, by being an eligible voter, we have a say in the formation of the government of our choice. So you see, eligible voters should vote, because only eligible voters have the say in the formation of the government, and that's why their responsibility increases. And so every eligible voter should vote. It is our responsibility to take part in the elections of our country, because India is a democratic country and all the representatives are chosen by the people themselves. So when we talk about participation in elections, responsibility of every citizen of the country. Participation in election is a responsibility of every citizen of the country. Electing the right representatives is important, as they will take important decisions that affect the life of all the citizens. So you see, it is very important to exercise this right to vote. And even if you are not eligible to vote, you can at least encourage other people who are eligible to vote, so that they take part in this important process of our country. And if a person is eligible to vote, he or she should exercise this right for the welfare of the country. So it is our duty to exercise this right for the welfare of our country. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.